Hello, this is Elvis from Gracious Forex. In this video, I want to take you through the expectation that we have for the US dollar, SP 500, US 30, and Nasdaq Composite. By reason of the trade deal that was signed yesterday between the US government and the Chinese government. So this is Donald Trump and the Vice Premier of China, Liu He, when he signed a long-awaited preliminary trade pact yesterday. So the text of the deal includes promises by the Chinese to increase their purchases of US agricultural goods, manufactured goods, and energy products, along with purchases of services by more than $200 billion over the next 2 years. So this is very good for both countries. Very, very good for both countries. So this is just the breakdown of the promise that the Chinese made. So for manufactured products, $32.93 billion this year, $4.8 billion next year, 2021. Energy, which is liquefied natural gas and coal, $18.5 billion this year, $33.9 billion next year, 2021. Services, $12.8 billion this year, $35 billion next year. So, and also its signature, the thing they signed yesterday also includes commitment by the Chinese to enforce intellectual property theft laws and a bilateral evaluation and dispute resolution arrangement that will encourage the US and China to work jointly to resolve allegations of patent and copyright infringement or intellectual property theft. So it's very good for the US economy, and we as traders, investors, we are already excited. Then on the part of the US, they will cut by half the tariff rate they imposed on the $120 billion list of Chinese goods that they did on September 1st. So they will cut it down to 7.5%, which is also very good for China. It's good for China, it's good for them. We also make the value of the Chinese yuan to go up. So what are we saying this year 2020? Prosperity for the US economy. Prosperity. The Dow, or the Dow Jones Industrial Average for the US 30 will rise because there will be purchases of, this Dow Jones Industrial Average measures 30 strongest companies in the US. Most of these companies are going to get sales, are going to make sales because of these Chinese purchases. And then the SP 500, this collection of 500 strongest companies in the US. So if China is purchasing goods from US, who are the one producing it? These companies. So prosperity for them too. They go up. Then Nasdaq Composite. So now, I know you must have heard of Nasdaq several times, but Nasdaq is actually an abbreviation, So it actually means National Association of Securities Dealers, Automated Quotations. National Association of Securities Dealers, Automated Quotations. So it's an electronic stock market. So we are expecting that to go up to. People trade it, but I've not been trading it. And then the US dollar, strongest currency, synonymous with gold, expecting to go up also. So those are some of the things that we're looking at this year. So let me just take you through the charts, US dollar, so you can see. Okay, let me take you through SP500 first, so that you can see what we're talking about. With a strong internet now. Okay, so just see how Dow Jones, Industrial Average, US 30, SP500, Nasdaq Composite, and US dollar where they are currently. See the impact, as we're expecting. Okay. Let's wait for this chart to open now, so you can see what I'm talking about here. So trading view is actually, in my opinion, is the best charting software you can find anywhere. It is the best. You can see your charts very clearly, move it the way you want. Zoom in and zoom out. See, very, very, very good. Okay, so let's go to US 30 and see the reaction that is making already. This is US 30. Okay. Let's scroll down like this. Okay. US 30. Choose this average. Just wait for it to respond. Okay, we have just show you that in the second part, so that this video will not be too long. Thank you very much.